Okay, for the this step is gonna be the episode 3. We are going to make the barcodes or QR code scanning for a student who come to attend the class. Okay, first of all, we come back to the Google Sheets, and then after that we will make another table that we name is at table name at time ins. After that we just name the column as follow. Okay, then after that we are going back to the Appsheet, and let's see when we going back to Appsheet here we have the view student and we have the add new student. For example, if you want to add new student, you click on this, you get a form to fill up some of information of each student, and when you want to view student detail or information, you got to click on the view student, and here are 2 examples of each student. That's just for example here. Okay, you got the picture and the detail for the personal detail, and this is for the QR code generated by the Appsheet here. Okay, so we're gonna add another view for scanner in order to scan the student QR code and save it to our table database here in this. Okay, let's see. Okay, first of all we need to go back to the data, and then we add the table for time in. Okay, wait for a second. Okay, when we get the table data for the time in, we go to view columns here, and then you get this. Okay, the ID as the key. Okay, after that we get the date. The date is can be the today, and this initial value time could be time now, like this. Okay, after that we check for the student ID is be student ID. Okay, we just click on the icon of the pencil here. After that we change it to the reference, here. Then we choose the sort table to be the data 1. After that we scroll down for other property, and then we select the scannable here. After that we click done and we click save. Okay, we gonna make this student name as a label. We deselect the photo. After that we change the ID to not show, date and time to not show as well, and then for student ID we select for require here. After that then we make okay, after that we come to the UX. We add the new view for the scanner. We just change it to scanner, and then we choose the table for time in here and choose it the form here. Okay, we get this like it. We just make save. Then we have to go back to data again. We go back to the view column again. See, when we choose the student ID here, we would like the photo or an information, the student name, the class and the phone to be auto populated here, so we can go back to the data for the terms, and then we come to photo. This type is image, and we on the formula, we just click on that. After that we click on other and then you left column and look up, use the lookup column here. After that you just make a copy for the photo, look up information from the reference column, we use photo here, save. Okay, you make save. Okay, for the student name as well, we need to click on formula. After that we click on other, same left column, and we change it to student name. We save it. For the class as well, and the last one was phone number. Now you see on the form of the scanner, you will see only student ID. We still require to input of the information in order to continue to work, or you can tap on the scanner to open the camera and to scan the QR code. You see the below form, there is no text box or to display, but whenever we put in or we input some of QR code of a student, the information will be looked up from the table and then will be show up in this form. We have to save in order to save information into the table. Okay, for example, now you just choose the first QR code of first student. You will get the information of each student. When you click save, after that you go back to table, you will see the information of student of student will come in like this. Okay, there is no class for this student. Okay, some, let's see, first one, class. Okay, maybe some mistake. Okay, let's try again for the first one. Okay, it's show display class get 6. Okay, you make a save. Okay, okay, now you get information of the student. Okay, this one not complete, I will delete it. Okay, then you go back here and then you choose the second student. You get the photo and information, you just make save. Okay, now you just go to share app and then you just try to put email of a person that who want to use this application in the mobile phone. So I make the pairing for the mobile phone in order to show you that this app work in the mobile phone version. Okay, let's see. I pair it here. That I tap. Okay. For example, is student. Let's see. I can have the okay. Okay, now you use the mobile phone to scan the student, and then you get the information of a student. You just makes it. You just have to save it. Okay, that is. You can see another example. I would make the okay. I'll tap on the scanner bottom, and then I move to scan the QR code of a student. Okay, get the information. I make save. Okay. Okay, that's all for the how to make the scanner application in order to scan QR code of a student who come to your class or attend the school. Hope this will be useful, will be some guidance for anyone who interested to try to make your own application in order to use with your student. Thank you for your watching.